Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by capturing a clean source. Speak naturally, keep the mic steady, and record a neutral reference phrase. Once done, save WAV or FLAC at 2448 kHz, 24-bit so processing keeps fidelity. Make several takes and mark the best one. This helps you compare changes. Also record a short sample at your target pitch and one at your natural tone. These references make automated transforms and manual edits predictable and repeatable, which is essential for reliable voice changes. Next, load the chosen take into a DAW and apply pitch shifting while preserving formants so you avoid the chipmunk or underwater effect. Then shape timbre. Cut muddiness with EQ, add presence around 25 kHz, and use light compression to even dynamics. If you have spectral morphing or neural voice models, morph the spectral envelope toward the target voice. Make incremental adjustments and audition in context. Save incremental versions so you can /B test and revert if a set. Finally, automate breaths and remove clicks, then de-ess and apply a gentle limiter before rendering to avoid clipping. Render at the original sample and bitrate so no conversion degrades the result, and compare the processed file to your reference samples to confirm the intended change. If you hear artifacts, make sure to reduce the pitch shift or use a finer resynthesis algorithm. Alternatively, re-record with a closer pitch and rely on subtler processing to minimize degradation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.